Tesla vehicles use multiple cameras for advanced features like autopilot and full self-driving. These cameras provide a 360-degree view around the car. This diagram shows the typical camera locations on Tesla vehicles. Here are the main camera locations highlighted: front cameras on the windshield, side cameras replacing mirrors, rear camera for backup, and cabin camera for driver monitoring. Different Tesla models have varying numbers of cameras. Model 3 and Y have 8, Model S and X have 9 to 10, and Cybertruck has 10. The cameras provide comprehensive 360-degree coverage around the vehicle. Cameras detect objects at various distances, from close range for parking to long range for highway driving. Camera feeds are displayed on the central touchscreen for driver assistance. The primary front camera is located either on the windshield behind the rearview mirror or in the front grille area. It captures the road ahead for features like lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking. This camera usually has a wide-angle lens, around 120 to 150 degrees field of view. Newer models may have higher resolution sensors, such as 8K, for improved object detection. Tesla's rear camera is typically mounted on the rear bumper or trunk. This camera provides a clear rear view when backing up, helping drivers avoid obstacles and pedestrians. The rear camera integrates seamlessly with Tesla's surround view systems, creating a 360-degree visualization of the car's surroundings. This helps with parking and maneuvering in tight spaces. Some Tesla models, like the Model S and Model X from 2024 onward, feature 2 rear cameras for a wider panoramic view. This enhanced setup provides even better coverage for towing assistance and complex maneuvers. The rear camera system connects via high-bandwidth interfaces for real-time processing. Its field of view, typically 170 degrees, ensures comprehensive rear visibility. Overall, Tesla's rear cameras play a crucial role in safety, reducing backing incidents by up to 15% according to recent studies, and enabling advanced autonomous features. Inside the Tesla vehicle, the cabin camera is positioned on the rearview mirror or dashboard area. This strategic placement allows it to have a clear view of the driver's face and upper body. The cabin camera serves a critical safety function by monitoring driver alertness. It uses advanced computer vision to detect if the driver is paying attention to the road ahead. Specifically, it analyzes key indicators such as eye movement, facial expressions, and hand position on the steering wheel. This helps identify signs of drowsiness or distraction. Privacy is a top priority with this camera. It is designed to be privacy protected and only activates during actual driving conditions. In both Europe and the United States, regulations now mandate these cabin cameras for driver fatigue monitoring to enhance vehicle safety. Here's a close-up view of how the cabin camera appears in a Tesla vehicle, typically mounted near the rearview mirror. This flowchart illustrates the alertness monitoring system, showing how camera inputs are processed to detect driver fatigue and trigger appropriate alerts. The system can recognize various driver states, including drowsiness indicators like yawning or microsleep, helping prevent potential accidents. The Cybertruck features an expanded camera setup with 10 cameras. Its unique angular design requires additional side-facing cameras for comprehensive coverage. These additional cameras provide better blind spot detection and assist with towing functionality. Some cameras, particularly the rear ones, help with towing by providing views for trailer positioning. Tesla test drives have demonstrated the Cybertruck's ability to autonomously back a trailer using these camera systems. Tesla cameras use CMOS sensors with high dynamic range for enhanced night vision. These sensors convert light into electrical signals, allowing the cameras to see clearly in both bright sunlight and dark night conditions. The data from all these cameras is processed by Tesla's advanced AI chips, such as HW4 in newer models. These powerful chips analyze the camera feeds in real time, detecting objects, lanes, and potential hazards to enable autonomous driving features. High-bandwidth data transmission is achieved using Gig-E Ethernet, which connects the cameras to Tesla's onboard computers. This fast network allows massive amounts of data to flow seamlessly, supporting end-to-end learning algorithms that power the full self-driving capabilities. Tesla's camera system employs redundancy through overlapping fields of view, creating fail-safes if one camera fails. Future trends include greater camera integration with AI, enhanced augmented reality navigation, vehicle to vehicle communication, and level 5 autonomy with potentially 15 or more cameras in robotaxi applications.